Hi, so this is my scale model of the Devon Air Ambulance GDAT that they purchased about 15 years ago. It's the first EC135 that they purchased. It's a 450 size T-Rex. The fuselage I've 3D printed myself, and I did all the lettering and graphics myself. The windows here, I basically 3D printed another front part of the fuselage, filled it with plastic cast, made a mold and vacuum formed the window myself. So it's GDAT, yeah. GDAT is Devon Air Ambulance Trust. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, there you go. And it flies great too as well. I flew it earlier. Flies really great. Anyway, thank you. Cheers.